Hello friends, today's topic Bajaj Finance stocks going down. Two reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is service to society and financial education. Many people were asking us why there is a weakness in the stock price of Bajaj Finance since October 2023. Bajaj Finance share price touched a high of around 8,192 in the beginning of October 2023 and today's price is around 6,500. This is a fall of 21% in last 4 months. So we are making this video on some of the reasons for the weakness in Bajaj Finance shares. Bajaj Finance graph October 2023 to February 2024. So, although Bajaj Finance is down 21% since October 2023, Nifty 50 index is up by 12% in the same period. The same period, Nifty 50 index is down only by 5%, TCS is down by 22%, Infosys is down by 23%. Reasons for the weakness in Bajaj Finance shares. Number one, RBI orders on stopping loans under two lending products of Bajaj Finance. In November 2023, RBI asked Bajaj Finance to stop sanctioning and disbursing loans under its two lending products, e-com and Insta EMI card with immediate effect. This was done because Bajaj Finance did not share important information to the borrowers regarding interest rate, fees, repayment terms and other terms and conditions. Bajaj Finance also did not follow digital lending guidelines of RBI. Bajaj Finance had announced that the supervisory restrictions of RBI will remain in place till the deficiencies observed are rectified by the company to the satisfaction of RBI. RBI will review their decision after some months and then inform Bajaj Finance of the decision on whether they can restart lending through two products. As of September 2023, Bajaj Finance had over 4.2 crore EMI cards in force. The Insta EMI card allows users to make purchases up to Rs 2 lakhs at zero cost across both online and offline stores with a repayment tenure of up to 60 months. Since this is expected to impact the short-term profitability of Bajaj Finance, shares have been falling. Second reason, lower than expected quarterly results in December 2023. Bajaj Finance quarterly financials. Parameter net profit October-December 2022 2,973 crores. October-December 2023 3,639 crores and plus 22%. Net NPA has gone down from 0.41% to 0.37% during October-December 2022 and 23 period. As you can see, there has been good growth in the profit. However, it was below analyst expectations since it was expected that profits will grow at a higher rate. Now Bajaj Finance last 5 quarters financials. October-December 2022 net profit 2,973 crores, net NPA 0.41%. However, analysts have not cut their ratings on the stock. They are still positive and expect limited downside. Many analysts believe that Bajaj Finance valuations are at reasonable level. Stock has underperformed for the last 3 years and given only 6% per annum results. Bajaj Finance target current price 6,600. Brokerage company Morgan Stanley target price before results 9,600. Target price after results 9,600. Investec target price before results 8,100. Target price after results 7,600. Goldman Sachs target price before results 7,279. Target price after results 7,114. Jefferies target price before results 9,470. Target price after results 9,400. Kotak Institutional target price before results 7,400. Target price after results 7,800. And then Nomura 9,500. Target price before results. Target price after results 8,800. going further with the target price of various brokerage companies coming to CLSA. Target price before results 9,500, target price after results 9,500. JP Morgan, target price before results 9,300, target price after results 8,500. Citi 9,025 versus 8,975. HSBC 9,430 versus 8,900. Macquarie 8,100 versus 8,100. JM Financial very bullish. Target price before results 10,000. Target price after results 10,000. And taking the whole average target price before results 8892. Target price after results 8,691. So the average target price before December 2023 results was around 8892. It has been revised to 8691. Although the target price has been revised, ratings have not been cut and most brokerage companies have maintained buy rating. Bajaj Finance sales and profit growth. 3 years sales growth 16% per annum, net profit growth 28% per annum. 5 years sales growth 27% per annum, net profit growth 36% per annum. As of now, due to the lower growth of business compared to historical average of Bajaj Finance, the stock is consolidating. It is still the leader in its sector and continues to grow at a higher pace than its peers. It is expected to do well in the future. However, we need to keep monitoring the results and other news. Bajaj Finance returns for different periods. For an investor, 1 year returns 8%, 3 year returns 6% per annum, 5 year returns 20% per annum, 10 year returns 46% per annum. We have presented various reasons for the weakness in Bajaj Finance shares so that all our channel members will be aware of the same. At the end of the video, here is the question. Do you expect Bajaj Finance shares to improve and do well in the long term? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.